Today I'm cooking from Betty Crocker's International Cookbook. This video is a collaboration with Sherry over at Cooking with Sherry. While we were discussing which cookbook to make a video about, Sherry said that she would send me a list of her vintage collection and then I could compare with mine and see what kind of overlap we had. In the meantime, I made a little trip to the thrift store, picked up a couple of things, including this book. When I returned from my little shopping trip, I checked my email and Sherry had sent me her cookbook list. It included this book, and that's when we knew we had to cook from this book. Betty Crocker herself sent us a message. This is what we needed to do. Sherry has a lot of really fun, really easy and creative recipes on her channel, so if you like that sort of thing, you should definitely check her out. This cookbook was published in 1980. It is an international cookbook. There are recipes in here that probably seem pretty commonplace to us today in 2022, like guacamole. But in 1980, that was probably a little bit unusual for some people. They were really going out of their comfort zone and cooking up some of these recipes. Which one am I going to make today? Today, I am going to be preparing fresh mushroom salad. This is a Finnish dish. I'm gonna try to say the actual name. I think this is also called Sienisalatti. I actually have a friend who lives in Finland and has for quite some time. So Katie, if you are watching this, please let me know how I did on that pronunciation. This is a cold mushroom salad. Thought, you know, a nice cold salad for the summer. People are looking for something a little bit different. I happen to absolutely love mushrooms, so this seemed like a good choice for me. I'm going to be cutting this recipe in half, but the full recipe will be in the description down below. In a saucepan, heat 1 inch of water and add half a teaspoon of salt. Bring to a boil. Once your water is boiling, add sliced mushrooms and bring to a boil again. Cover and simmer for 1 minute, and then when your mushrooms are cooked, drain them and chill in the refrigerator. So the book didn't indicate how long I was supposed to let these chill. I think I probably had them in the fridge for about half an hour. Once I've drained and chilled my mushrooms, I'm supposed to add chives. So I've got my fresh chives here. That seems like such a delicious combination, mushroom and chives. Just gonna give that a little mix here. Looks good to me already. This next part is kind of like the dressing. You mix my whipping cream, sugar, salt. I will say that when I was trying to find the proper pronunciation of this salad, I looked a little bit, on YouTube and stuff. A lot of the mushroom salads looked a little bit different. It looked like they were chopped really, really fine, whereas this recipe called for sliced mushrooms. So again, I don't know how authentic this is. All my Finnish viewers, I probably don't have a ton, but let me know in the comments, is this the type of mushroom salad that you would eat? We just need a little dash of pepper. And there we go with the pepper. Pour over the mushrooms and the chives. So I'll give that a little mix, make sure everything is coated. It says serve in lettuce cups if desired. I won't be serving this in lettuce cups because I don't desire to do that. I am going to let this chill in the fridge for just a little bit, I think. It doesn't say to do that. I don't think it can hurt to let the flavors kind of develop in this dish a little bit. Got my bowl of fresh mushroom salad. I just spilled it all over. One moment. I'm really excited to try this. I've definitely had marinated mushrooms, but those are usually sort of marinated in more of an oil and vinegar, like a vinaigrette type of dressing. Never quite had anything dairy-based like this, so it seems like kind of an interesting combination if you think about it with the chives. I think sour cream and chives. So I feel like this could kind of be a little bit like that. Okay, I'm gonna get one from the bottom here. That is really interesting, really tasty. I like it. We've got just like a little sweetness. It kind of cuts through all the savory. Like if you think of mushrooms and how earthy they are, it really kind of complements that. That is very tasty. I like that a lot. This is not the video for you or the salad for you if you don't like mushrooms, but if you do, you should definitely give this a try. It's a little something different. I'm enjoying myself. A huge thank you to Sherry from Cooking with Sherry for collaborating with me on this video. If you'd like to find out what she made, you're gonna have to go to her channel and find out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button below. I post new videos about food, vintage cookbooks, and retro recipes every week. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.